First, you need to install the firmware on your Prokey device. This is mandatory for all new devices. Head to prokey.wallet.io and connect your Prokey device to your laptop, computer or mobile phone. Make sure that you're using Google Chrome as your browser. Click on the firmware install button to start the process. Next, click on the device shown in the pop-up and click on the connect button to confirm. After the installation is complete, disconnect your Prokey device and reconnect it to start the next step. Now to create and backup your wallet. On the interface, click on the check device button will make a pop-up appear. Click on the device and then on the connect button. Next, we'll start with the create a new wallet option. Choosing to create a new wallet will prompt a confirmation on your device. After this is done, you will be able to back up your wallet. Choose to do so. When this is done, you will see a new wallet account appearing on the interface. This means you have successfully created a new wallet account. Now, in order for you to back up your wallet, you will need a recovery seed. Each of the words of your recovery seed will be displayed on your device. Write down each one of them on a piece of paper carefully. You will be given another chance to check the seed words. Always make sure the spelling and the order of the words are correct. Once you're done, click on the next button to complete the process. Naming your Prokey device helps you to distinguish between different devices. Click on Continue to give your device a name. You will need to set up a lock using a PIN code. Confirm on your device to get started. Choose a strong series of numbers that you can remember. Pro tip: don't use sequential or repeated numbers. We recommend using the 6-digit format. Confirm your PIN code again when prompted. Finally, click on Continue and then on Finish to fully complete the create and backup your wallet process. That's all for this video. See you on the next one.